Ever wondered how to combine the flavors of Filipino ensaymada with the comfort of French toast? Ponder no more, as today we're going to walk through a delightful fusion recipe: Ubi ensaymada French toast cups. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius and greasing a muffin tin with butter. Next, slice your ensaymada into 1-inch thick slices and cut each slice into cubes. Then, in a mixing bowl, whisk together 4 eggs, a half cup of milk, a quarter cup of sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Now, place the ensaymada cubes into the egg mixture. Make sure they're coated evenly. Give them a few minutes to soak, allowing the bread to absorb the liquid. Once soaked, gently press the ensaymada cubes into each muffin cup of the greased tin, filling them to the top. Place the tin into the preheated oven and allow it to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the French toast cups are golden brown and set. After baking, allow the French toast cups to cool for a few minutes. Then, carefully remove them from the muffin tin and place them on a serving plate. For an optional finishing touch, top each French toast cup with a dollop of whipped cream, fresh berries, a spoonful of ube halaya, or a dusting of powdered sugar. And there you have it, Ubi ensaymada French toast cups. These delightful cups represent a unique fusion of Filipino and Western tastes, combining the sweet, buttery flavors of ensaymada with the comforting, familiar taste of French toast. So why not give this recipe a whirl? It might just become your new favorite dish.